So, good day everyone. My name is Althea Evaluyon. So, ang ating topic ngayon is about linear programming, special cases, unboundedness. So, ang ating problem set is problem. Ayan. Glenn is the plant manager of Ford Motors and he wants to determine the product mix that will result in maximum profit. He is also able to determine the data necessary for his to make a decision. It will take 4 minutes to weld 1 unit of Mustang and 10 minutes to weld 1 unit of Explorer. And she wants to use up at least 40 minutes of the subcontracted welding process per day. It will take 7 minutes to assemble 1 unit of Mustang and 8 minutes to assemble 1 unit of Explorer. And he has to use up at least 56 minutes of the subcontracted assembly process per day. It will take 9 minutes to paint 1 unit of Mustang and 5 minutes to paint 1 unit of Explorer. And he has to use up at least 45 minutes of the subcontracted painting process per day. They will earn $300 for every unit of Mustang produced and $350 for every unit of Explorer produced. So the question is, how many units of Mustang and Explorer should be produced per day to maximize profit? And how much is the total profit? So ito yung table natin ngayon. So ito yung Mustang, which is yung X sub 1, tapos yung Explorer is X sub 2. So, yung welding, assembly, and painting ng Mustang is 479. Para naman sa Explorer is yung sa welding niya, tapos sa assembly and painting is 1085. So, yung sign na gagamitin natin is greater than or equal. Bakit? Since yung sa problem raw is about, ano natin to. So, sabi dito, yung welding raw, no? Sabi dito is at least. And sa assemble raw is about up at least rin raw. So, yung sa painting naman raw is up at least rin. So, yung gagamitin nga natin dito is greater than or equal. So, ayan yung diyan natin. Yung tatlong yan is magkakasundo. No? Pero ang problema dito is maximize eh. So, possible yung graph natin is pataas. Lahat, no? Since yung maximize or maximization above sa pagmamax ng ating profit. So, ang binibigay sa atin dito problema is palabas lahat sa graph. So, ito yung ating table. Yan, 300 para sa profit per unit ng Mustang and the Explorer is $350. So, ang ating objective function is 300 sub 1 plus 350 x sub 2. So, yung sa welding constraint is 4x sub 1 plus 10x sub 2 is 7x sub 1 plus 8x sub 2 greater than or equal 56. Sa painting naman is 9x sub 1 plus 5x sub 2 greater than rin, greater than or equal 45. So, non-negativity constraint, x sub 1 and x sub 2 greater than 0. So, yung answer natin is walang negative. So, yung next slide is and step 2. So, kung alam natin kung paano yung paulit-ulit na lang rin to sa maximization and minimization is yung let x1, x sub 1, and x sub 2 na ililet natin gawing 0 raw. So, yung equation natin dito is 4x sub 1 plus 10x sub 2. So, yung answer is greater than or equal 40. So let x sub 1 equal 0. So this is cancelled. Since 0 naman yung answer dito. Divide natin both sides sa 10. So x sub 2 na lang matitira. 40 divided by 10 is 4. So yung x sub 2 natin is 0, 4. So let x sub 2 equal 0 naman. So this is 0. Cancel this. Divide both sides sa 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So ang ating x sub 1 is 10, 0. Para sa welding. So ang next naman ay assembly. So ganun lang rin, no? 7x sub 1 plus 8x sub 2 greater than or equal to 56. So let x sub 1 equal 0. Cancel this. Divide both sides sa 8. X sub 2 na lang natira. 56 divided by 8 is 7. So ang ating coordinate dito sa x sub 2 is 0, 7. Let x sub 2 naman is cancel this. Divide both sides sa 7. X sub 1 is matitira. 56 divided by 7 is 8. So ang ating coordinate dito sa x sub 1 is 8, 0. Para sa assembly constraint. Next naman ay painting constraint. So ang ating equation is 9x sub 1 plus 5x sub 2 greater than or equal 45. So let x sub 1 is equal to 0. Cancel this. Divide both sides sa 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So ang ating coordinate is 0, 9. Dito naman sa let x sub 2 is 0 na. So gawin ulit natin 0. Itong 5 times 0 is 0. So, divide both sides sa 9. Ang matitira na lang is x sub 1. So, 45 divided by 9 is 5. So, ang ating x sub 1 is, or coordinate para sa x sub 1 is 5, 0. Ayan. So, next naman ay graph. So, sa graph naman is, maglalagay ako dito ng coordinate para madali lang siyang iyan. Ayan. Para naman sa welding, ang ating constraint, ating coordinate, no, is 0, 4 at 10, 0. Ayan. Para naman sa assembly, or assemble, ang ating coordinate ay 0, 7 at 8, 0. Yan. Lastly is yung sa painting. Ang coordinate neto is 0, 9 at 5, 0. Ayan. Pwede natin siyang gawa ng graph. So, drawing tayo ng line. By push. Ayan. Tapos na tayo. Ito yung ating x sub 1, x sub 2. Ito. At ito naman yung x sub 1 natin. So, yung x sub 2 is nandito. Palagay. At yung x sub 1 is dito. So, hanapin na natin ngayon yung point. So, yung point na ito, x sub 2 ng welding is 0,4, no? So, andito siya. Yan. Tapos yung x sub 1 naman is 10. Connect natin silang dalawa. Assembly naman is 0,7. No? So, dito. Zero 7, tapos 8, 0. Yan, connect rin natin sila sa isa't isa. The painting naman is, yan, yung x sub 2 raw niya is 0,9. So, nandito siya. At yung x sub 1 raw niya is 5. So, nandito siya sa may pagitan ng 4 and 6. So, i-connect natin sila sa isa't isa. Ayan. So, ayan na yung itsura ng ating graph. So, yung yung sa problem raw, di ba, kanina, ang sabi doon sa sign or sa condition ng ating constraint ay puro greater than or equal, no? Puro positive, puro paangat. Ibig sabihin ng mga gantong itsura is palabas raw po, no? Ganito, palabas. Ayan. Itong painting, no? Palabas yan. Kasi at least, up at least. Ito namang welding, palabas rin yan. Pataas. Ito yung itsura niya. Pataas. At yung assembly naman is pataas rin. Tatlo silang pataas kasi ang condition raw nila is up at least. So, yung ang problema dito is, ang problem natin is, ang hinahanap nga raw is maximization netong tatlong constraint. Eh kaso, ang ibinigay sa ating given or condition na constraint is puro ano siya, pa-minimize. So, ang tanong dito, may corner point ba sila? Yes, may corner point naman sila. Dito yung corner point nila. Dito. Kaso, nasa labas. Kasi, up at least nga raw eh. Yan. Ayan yung corner point nila. Dapat raw kasi yung constraint tapos yung objective magkasundo. So, kapag hindi raw sila magkasundo or hindi raw tugma sa sinasabi or hindi raw akma sa sinasabi ng constraint or condition ng constraint sa objective, ibig sabihin raw nun is since maxi nga yung problem natin, tas yung objective is unbounded to infinity, ayan, infinity to. Since hindi nga natin maano nga, di ba? Infinity, there is no solution raw. No solution. Or profit, max profit, yan, in this problem raw. So, ang ibig sabihin nito is, since special case siya, unboundedness, yung graph nito. Ayan. Unboundedness. So, ayan. So, since na hindi nga tugma dun sa constraint at sa objective function natin, hindi natin makukuha yung max profit ng ating problem. So, ano lang siya, no? So, yun lang. Thank you for listening.